I would now like to hand over the floor to م.سردار شکېب sir for his remarks.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والحمد لله رب العالمين. His Excellencies Ambassador Dr. Aizaz Ahmad Chaudhary Sahab, Mansoor Ahmad Khan Sahab, former Ambassador of Pakistan to Afghanistan, dear participants, brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First of all, I would like to thank the Institute of Strategic Studies, Islamabad, particularly Ms. Amina Khan for organizing this webinar and inviting me. I hope this webinar will be an opportunity to pay more attention to the economic issues between the two countries and solve the concerned problems through the accepted mechanism. As you know, that the last year has been very difficult for all of us. Unprecedented floods in Afghanistan and Pakistan, the freezing of Afghanistan's currency reserves, the COVID-19 crisis, severe drought, and some internal issues are the challenges that exponentially impacted us. But fortunately, since the foreign policy of the new government of Afghanistan is economy oriented, it has focused a lot on trade, transit and regional connectivity during the last year. Afghanistan and Turkmenistan have several important economic projects such as Tapi, Tap, Akina, Andukhui and Torgundi, Herat, Railway, Lajward Road and electricity transmission to Afghanistan through Akina and Andukhui. The work has been started and the efforts have achieved good result during the last year. Pakistan and Afghanistan are each other's major trading partners. Pakistan is Afghanistan's first trading partner, and Afghanistan is Pakistan's second largest export market. However, as I said before, there are still problems in the economic relations between Afghanistan and Pakistan, which should be given serious attention. Unfortunately, sometimes Afghan trucks going to Wagah or Karachi face many hurdles on the way, such as unnecessary search during the rainy season, and which the tarpaulins are also being pulled from the trucks. In most cases, these measure lead to the loss of Afghanistan dry fruits. Moreover, Pakistan's visa problems for Afghan truck drivers and assistant drivers have caused serious damage to the normal flow of trade and transit between the two countries. Afghanistan is a member of TIR, the TIR organization, and we call on our neighbors, especially the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, to respect all TIR regulation regarding the export of Afghanistan's commercial goods through this route. In general, the new government is working with Pakistan on economic diplomacy and facilitating each other's investors so that Afghan products can be marketed in Pakistan and through Pakistan to the world, as well as Pakistani products in Afghanistan and through Afghanistan to Central Asia. We hope that Afghanistan, Pakistan, our other neighbors and regional countries will have a common independent economic bloc with all needed capacities and facilitation. Thank you for your attention. ومن الله التوفيق.